Okay, see, in this question they have mentioned maximum power and we have to calculate Vs. Okay, so what we know about the maximum power? We know that maximum power formula is V square TH over 4RL, right? And condition for the maximum power is RL must be equal to RTH. Okay, so one thing make clear that they don't ask you the value of VTH. This is the supply voltage. VTH would be the voltage across A and B terminal, right? So we can get the value of RTH, right? For RTH, what we need to do, voltage source must be short circuit and current source must be open circuit, right? So if I'll redraw the diagram, voltage source is removed, short circuit, and again RL must be removed for calculation of RTH. So this is 10, 20, 30, 10, right? So can we calculate RTH from this thing? Hmm? Then see, I told you like all are your friends and you have to see which resistance are connected in the same path or at the different path. We'll always start from opposite to the A terminal, that is we'll start from the 10. 10 and 20 are in series or in parallel? This is voltage source should be short circuit, current source must be open circuit for the calculation of RTH. Okay, so 10 and 20 is in series or in parallel? It is in parallel, so 10 parallel 20. Again I'll redraw the circuit would look like this. Now this 30 and this resistor is in series or in parallel? It is in series. 10 parallel 20, it will make a single resistance, then it is combined with the 30, it is in series, right? Now after this we can draw a simple redraw the circuit. It will be combined into one resistance and that 10 ohm. These two resistance is in series or in parallel? Parallel. So after solving it, can we get the value of RTH? RTH is equal to RL, right? So we got RL value, right? Maximum power they have given. How much they have given? 40 watt, right? So we can put 40 watt as the maximum value that they have mentioned. RL we got it from the RTH. So after solving it, can we get that VTH value? Tell me. Okay, after solving it, I'll tell you the directly the value for the VTH. VTH value would be come out to 48.69. Clear this concept? Okay. Hmm. We got RTH. RTH is RL. We put the value of RTH over here. Sorry, we put the value of RL over here. Maximum power they have mentioned in the question itself. So can we get VTH? Yeah, I'm not saying that question is completed. We just calculated VTH. Okay, then we have to solve it for the VS, right? Because they ask us VS. So VS, if I'll redraw the diagram, VS is here and VTH is the voltage across A and B terminal, right? So if the value over here is 10, 20, 30, 10, and we got VTH means VAB, right? These across these 2 points only the load resistance was connected now. So we know VAB is equal to VTH, right or wrong? So VAB is equal to VTH. How much we got it? VAB we got it as 248 volt something. Okay, so as you can see that across this the voltage would be same now, 248 volt, because these two are connected in parallel, so we can mark CD. Can we say that VAB is equal to VCD? because both, see again the same concept, VAB is equal to VAC plus VCD plus VDB, right? AC is 0, DB is 0, so VCD, right? So can we got one value, VCD is equal to 248 volt, right? Any doubt? We know that VCD is equal to ICD into RCD according to Ohm's law. ICD into RCD we know 10, VCD we got it 248. Can we get ICD? Okay. No, so now we got ICD, that is the current, that is 24.8, correct. Okay. So in this branch also 24.8 current will go, right? Okay. Now can we apply the uh, current division rule over here? So what is the formula for the current division rule? Like suppose this one is I1 and this one is I2, right? So I2 formula is total current multiplied by the resistance which is connected in opposite divided by the sum of resistors which are connected in parallel, 20 plus 30 plus 10, right? So do we know I2 value? That is 24.8. So can we get the I value from here? So I is equal to, according to Ohm's law, V over R. I we know from here, V we need to calculate, and total resistance we can get it 30 plus 10 is 40, 40 parallel with 20, and then combine it with the 10. So we'll get the total voltage, total resistance, total current. So this is how we can get the value of Vs.